Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the text size in the messages in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right and then tap on settings. Now in settings, under the settings title, we find chat settings. If we tap on this, at the top, we find the message text size slider, which we can slide to the right to enlarge the text, or slide it to the left to make it smaller, whichever fits us the best. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.